Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to make Bangladeshi bara isa. Este box Bangladeshi isa ano. Isa washala. Duita bara onion hat. Batter fata hatar. Add fresh marisata. Wow, look at these big isas. Pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Onions bitrito. Este samas labanto. Mix hara. Ahan sundar hari mashara. Add a Russian paste down. Add 1 teaspoon of hollowed powder. Add 1 teaspoon of Baharan jeera powder. Add 1 big teaspoon of chili powder. Mix it all together. Let sit for 5 minutes. Add those big isas in. Mix it all together. "15 minutes later, water add hara. Mix it good. 5 minutes later, add the fresh chilies and then add the coriander. I hope you enjoyed the food and I hope you like, subscribe and share the video. Bye!